Imagine a giant flying crane in the sky. That is what this special helicopter, called a Skycrane, really is. This helicopter is built for one main job: lifting and moving very heavy things like antennas, towers, and big machines. Most helicopters carry people inside, but the Skycrane has a thin body and a strong frame underneath, so it can carry heavy loads hanging below it. Here is how it works, step by step. First, the crew on the ground attaches the antenna to the long cables and hooks under the helicopter. These hooks are special. The pilot can open them using electric controls from inside the cockpit, so they can release the load without anyone touching it from the ground. Then the helicopter slowly lifts straight up, taking the antenna into the air like a crane lifting a weight. The pilot must fly very carefully because there are wires, towers, and strong winds all around. Small movements on the controls tilt the rotors and change the power, so the helicopter can move a little forward, backward, or sideways to line up the antenna exactly with the top of the tower. The tower workers guide the antenna into place with their hands and signals, while the pilot holds the helicopter almost completely still in the air. When the antenna is in the perfect position, the workers bolt it down to the tower. After it is safely attached, the pilot presses the control to open the hook. The cables are released, and the helicopter slowly backs away and flies off. This teamwork between the pilot, the ground crew, and the tower workers is what makes this very complex and dangerous job look smooth and simple in the video.